Hello, in this session we will see how to convert sentences of simple future tense to passive. Can you tell me to be verbs of future tense? Yes, will, shall. Here I have taken few examples. 1. He will finish the homework. Let's follow all the 5 steps one by one and convert this sentence to passive. Step 1 is to identify SVO. Here he is subject, will finish verb, the homework is object. Look, here he is a pronoun and it is used as subject in active voice in this sentence. So we will change it to him in passive voice. Step 2 is to exchange the places of subject and verb. So the homework is written in the beginning of the sentence. Step 3 is to add suitable helping verb. Helping verb will be, shall be for passive voice. So we have added will be here after homework. Step 4 is to convert MV to V3. Third form of finish is finished. So we have written that after be. Here the action is more important rather than the doer. So we have not written by him. The complete sentence is the homework will be finished. The structure of passive voice is subject plus will, shall plus be plus V3 plus O. Look at the another example. We will always remember that vacation. Let's see how this sentence is converted into passive voice. Step 1 is followed is to identify subject, verb, object. Subject here is we will remember verb, that vacation object. Step 2 followed here. The places of subject and verb are changed. So the vacation is written in the beginning of the sentence as it is a subject now in passive voice. And us is placed at the end of the sentence. Step 3 is to add helping verb. Will be is written after homework. Here in active voice sentence always word is used. So we will not change its place and we will write always after will and then we will write be. Step 4 to convert MV to V3. Main verb here is remember. So third form of remember is remembered. So we have written remembered after be. Step 5 is to add preposition. So preposition by is added before us. And the complete sentence is like this. The vacation will always be remembered by us. These holidays will always be remembered by us. Thank you. That's all in this lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing.